Insanity rules related to Currents, Durham, CD, ACD, American Law of Institute. Difference between Korsakoff psychosis and Wernicke encephalopathy. In Korsakoff, that is ACP, Assistant Commissioner Amnesia, Confabulation, Polyneuropathy, that is Kerala, Assistant Commissioner. This Wernicke encephalopathy, Goa, Wernicke, global confusion, short-term memory loss, ataxia, peripheral neuropathy. So, Korsakoff related to ACP, Kerala, Korsakoff, Assistant Commissioner of Police, that is ataxia, confabulation, P, peripheral neuropathy. Then Wernicke encephalopathy, Goa, global confusion, short-term memory loss, ataxia, peripheral neuropathy. Thank you.